I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying.
Also, I wanted to get on and say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Aquila and I'd love for you guys to join. So today's video is going to be really relaxing, really just therapeutic day in my life. I normally don't do this every morning, but starting of 2021, I figured I would do morning meditation, read all about my books, a little bit of auras, the Green Witch, because this one is the natural magic of herbs, flowers, essential oils, and more, and I really want to learn all of that. And then my crystal directory for positive manifestation. So I'm going to be doing all these starting 2021, which we're already in. So that's how my 2021 is going so far. Just very relaxing, not so stressful. The 5-minute meditation really helps. Like, alright you guys, so it's been about the time, and plus this is lifting up, so I'm just gonna take it off. And also, oh excuse me, I'm gonna use this little crystal roller, so cute, and just rub in, saturate my face with what's left over from the mask. So now I'm actually watching Bebe Hey. She's a nice YouTuber. I love watching her videos. I just started watching her videos, I'd say a few months ago when I found her. I don't remember how I found her, but I just found her. Also, I wanted to show you guys. So, we have, I think I gotta click on this one. So click on that. We have like lights in our room that are like, I don't want to say her name, but powered by, you know, because I don't want her to turn on right now, but powered by her. And we have it connected with this, and I can change the bedroom lights. Let me show you. So right now it's at cool white. Let's do red. I wish it kind of looked like that for all around the room, but it just kind of looks like it right there. Oh, that's kind of cool. It would probably be better at night, but pink. All right, we're gonna go back to cool white. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys that. It's pretty cool. I wish it kind of lit up the room like a lot more. Like I said, probably at nighttime it would. I don't really use it that much. I do have my little fairy lights up. Well, these are Christmas lights, but I have them right here on our bed. And then I just put these ones up. They're kind of at a weird angle, but I put those right there. It's really nice. Alright, you guys, so it's been a little while and I finished watching Bebe Hey's videos. Now I'm just looking at bookshelves. So I really wanted a rattan bookshelf, but I know I'm not going to find one anywhere unless I go to like a flea market, or people are selling them, but they're selling them for really pricey. And plus I already have a lot of white furniture in my house anyways, so these will match everything that I do have. But I was looking at this one. This one is on sale. I think it's one more shelf than the one we have now. The one we have now is just kind of getting crappy looking and falling apart. And this one is only $49, but the original price is $59. So if I didn't make it in time there for the sale or something, then I could still get it for $59, which isn't bad. Because I looked at Walmart.com and they had them for like $100. So, and IKEA is like a 50-minute drive away, which isn't too bad. But I'm looking at this one. I texted Taylor because I kind of want this one. So enough for our games, and then I can put my books on there also. Because right now I've been leaving my books on the sides of my bed because I have little cubbies. See, I got this from IKEA, and I also got my dresser from IKEA, and I also got my desk and chair from IKEA. I think IKEA is really good, but I like their stuff. And yeah, I'm just looking at a bookshelf right now because we need a new one anyways, and this seems like a really good deal. So that is nice. And it would look really good with our flooring in our house too.